Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be cooking a baked sweet potato with toppings. I love the crispy outside and the soft inside of a baked potato, but when you add the toppings, it just takes it to that next level. Please note, this is more of a technique video because you can add or change any of the toppings to your liking. Take your sweet potatoes and using a fork, poke holes in the skin. This will help the potatoes to breathe when cooking because they've been known to explode. Next, take one sausage of chorizo and slice into pieces. Then some bacon. Now we're ready to cook. Light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using clean heat charcoal. The temperature should be sitting around 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Place your potatoes on the opposite side of the charcoal. Cover the lid and cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, take the potatoes off, let them cool until you can safely pick them up. While the potatoes are cooling off, place a cast iron pan over the heat and fry that bacon. Once the bacon has begun to cook, add the chorizo. The bacon and chorizo are done, so take it off the heat. Now the potatoes have cooled, slice down the center and push on each side to open them up. Now the toppings. First, add some grated cheddar cheese to hold it all together. Next, the chorizo and bacon. Top with some sliced spring onion. Finally, some more grated cheddar cheese. Place back on the barbecue for 15 minutes to melt and brown the cheese. Once the cheese is melted and has started to go beautifully golden brown, these sweet potatoes are ready to be served. To finish it off, top with some sour cream and some fresh chives. There you have it, baked sweet potatoes. I love the crispy and soft inside of baked potato with the toppings adding a whole lot of flavor. Feel free to try any toppings you like. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.